What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't seen my last vlog, please check it out. I've been posting every week. Your girl been dropping these videos back to back. So let me just pat my back. I'm so proud of myself. I'm getting there. I look a little busted, but it's okay. So it's Friday night and we starting off the weekend, right? We ain't doing much. We're just going to eat. We're gonna chill. Maybe tomorrow might be a little something. We don't know yet. But today we're going
we're having a jammy jam sleepover.
I guess.
Sleepover.
But we are going to Upper Deck. We're meeting up with Tammy, and that's it.
Get a picture of
Today I didn't even have to use my 8-tech. I gotta say it was a big day.
Just cancel this vlog. Cancel this damn vlog. I didn't take a picture of the food. Just cancel the damn vlog. The oysters wasn't all that, so it's okay. Tammy on her phone. She gotta pay the bill because she on her phone.
Girl, I was in my email.
I'm drinking so much, and I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not.
I came out to eat with Nadine. You guys met her. And what, 2 vlogs ago? Hello?
What?
They met you 2 vlogs ago?
Yeah, I guess.
2 vlogs ago, 3 vlogs, 1 vlog, whatever. Or whatever how many vlogs. You met her. We went to a Mexican restaurant. But, yeah, I don't know. It's cold outside. I was hungry. I didn't get to record as much. But we are here. And say hi. I'll record better when my food gets out.
I'm just saying, do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying, do better.
What's up, y'all? We are at my house now.
Oh, you had started?
I started. We're at my house now. A couple of friends came over, and I have new ones. Well, you did see her in a vlog, but that was last year. It's 2022, and she is back.
We finally made her back.
We finally got her back. So, y'all already know.
Hey, guys.
And y'all should already know. They call me what?
Billion.
And then you already know. Exactly. So we're just having a chill day today. I don't know what we're gonna do. Games, karaoke, and you know what? Shots. So we are taking a shot.
Don't mind it.
Let me cheers with me, you guys. I wasn't prepared. My bad.
Nobody told me no juice. Wow.
See, that one kick. See, you felt the kick you? I didn't even take the full damn shot. Just say it. I didn't even. You okay? You just say that.
Again, you told me again.
I thought it was coming up.
All right, after a bottle of wine
And 2 Edit Berries.
bottle.
She shared her bottle.
And what little ass cup she had.
She had 2.
Yeah, and I opened the other bottle. Look, that's so I have
Okay, tell me the truth.
I had a majority of the bottle.
Betty had 2 cups.
Okay, she had 1 cup on this and 1 cup on that.
Here's the thing: out of a wine bottle, a cup is a lot.
And 2 shots. She didn't have a full cup. Did you have a full cup, Betty?
A wine?
Yes.
No, I had 2.
Exactly. 2 half cups. So what's the problem? Because your bottle is still sitting there.
She ain't lying about that.
And I had 2 shots.
No, I'm not disappointed in myself.
And I'll have another shot to fuck with y'all.
Well, do that.
The fuck?
Come on, do it. My name is Ashley, and this is my whole bottle.
My name is Ruby, and I think Ashley's gonna be the drunkest.
My name is
Hold up. Hold up.
High, but this bottle gonna be gone by the time I go to sleep.
She lying. She been working on that bottle since she fucking got here.
It don't
My
matter,
name is
Ashley.
Ashley, and I think that Ruby's gonna be the highest. She's definitely gonna be the highest.
Ruby's gonna get in the bed, and Ruby's gonna say, "The bed is shit."
Who put these onions on my burger?
What the fuck? I do remember. I hate you for bringing back memories. Yours, mine, ours. I can do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, or the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets the flowers. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me superpowers.
Okay, Ruby.
What about you guys? I've been trying to teach them this TikTok, the Hannah Montana, but they don't want to. They're not listening. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, 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 clap. Rodeo, 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 rodeo.
Wow.
Yeah, I got
So
some.
can you give us credit for all? Damn.
They did good. They did great.
We got no credit for that.
But my thing is, you have to go from the beginning to the end. You can't go the beginning and halfway.
Can you wow. I guess you're gonna send the video when you're sober. So that's tomorrow.
Probably a week from now. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, whoa. Tell me how you really feel. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel.
Oh my god.
Good morning. It is the next day. It is Sunday. I don't know what videos I got yesterday. Oh shit, my phone. Fuck. I don't know what videos I captured. Did you guys capture videos for me? Alright, so I don't know where I'm gonna be at, but I'll see you in the next clip.
I'll see you.
Whatever we're doing.
Jesus.
What's up? We finally got out the bed, y'all. We got off the bed and we are at Untoasted.
Breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast, lunch, and
when it comes to food, I'm gonna eat.
we gonna fuck it up. That's what the fuck's gonna happen. Yeah, so, yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up?
Hey, y'all. Let me put my glasses on. Oh, it's a bitch.
I'll start it.
Did y'all read that? Just ghetto.
Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Yeah, she don't have the time, you can't get no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing and it's so important. I've been drinking so much.
I'm not gonna lie, I did a buzz. I ain't even gonna lie, that shit was regular. It was like real regular.
It was very underwhelming. I would never come back. Do I recommend it? No, because you would have the same feelings.
You would love this one.
Yes, you would. You would feast in the moment in which Ruby had a buzz. But the French toast was good. But literally, that's it. Out of a 10, I would give it a 6. But guess what? All 6 of that goes to the French toast.
So, my stomach.
And for the price for our 3 meals, because everything is like a la carte, it came up to $137.
What the fuck?
It wasn't worth $137.
It was not
I
worth
could have went
$137.
IHOP.
I could have went IHOP, better flavor, fluffy pancakes, buttery. I would have tasted every bit of butter they put on there. I'm not gonna lie, I accept myself.
We can't go buy makeup.
Oh shit, my head.
Where do you want to go?
The bitch was regular. No, we can go home.
It ain't even.
I have a lip liner. You have a sharpener?
What
Mm-hmm.
what Boosie say? How Boosie said it? The bitch. It ain't even all that.
Right. Ooh, ooh. I'm not gonna lie, my stomach hurt.
It probably from that drink.
That drink was not good at all.
You see, I said not bad. Yo, this say electric lemonade. I don't taste a hint of lemon or AIDS.
Or the things that help out the lemon.
Right.
There's a lot going on.
Much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around.
Holla at your girl. I do facials now.
But wait here a second.
We are doing our facial. She's behind.
Yeah. I'm on the first step.
First motherfucking step. And I have to stay like this for 15 minutes. Oh.
It's falling in slow motion.
This is not relaxing music. You know how you have to play the instrumental? Y'all, the weekend is over, and even though we chill, we had a blast. So, it's time to say goodbye. Ashley and T are leaving.
Yes.
But
Thanks
happy
for
birthday.
the weekend.
It's a good one.
Thanks for the
We
hospitality.
enjoyed it. Thank you, Ruby,
30.
for the hospitality, definitely.
Why the fuck you? I mean, why is you looking like
We
that?
had a great weekend. And guess
fucking-
what? The best part of the weekend. That Eddie was what?
Idiot.
That part.
Deuces, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a few comments.
Don't forget to what?
We answer any questions.
Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next.
Love you, vlog.
See y'all in the next.
Love you, vlog.
See y'all in the next.
Hey,
Bye, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.